Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Tuesday morning, October 15, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. On a somewhat subdued day for trading, given bond markets were shut due to federal holiday, Wall Street ended higher on Monday with both the S&P 500 and the Dow posting record finishes as investors bought into technology stock ahead of a busy week packed with corporate earnings and crucial economic data. The gains were broad-based, though tech shares led the pack in trading with the S&P 500's information technology sector gaining 1.4%. However, there was enough upward momentum carried over from Friday when major banks kicked off at the third quarter corporate earnings season on a positive note to send the Dow Jones Industrial Average to new highs as the Dow crossed the 43,000 milestone for the first time and also closed at the high. The S&P 500 gained 44 points or 0.77% to 5,859 points, while the Nasdaq Composite climbed 159 points or 0.87% to 18,502. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 201 points or 0.47% to 43,065. Investors have received a slate of good news recently. The latest read on jobs showed that the labor market is healthy, while inflation data last week pointed to moderating price pressures. And on Monday, excitement about artificial intelligence once again powered major indexes higher as the continued strength in Nvidia stock helped drive the S&P 500 to a fresh record to kick off the week. An index of semiconductor companies jumped 1.8% to a more than 2-month high, aided by the 6.8% advance by ARM Holdings, as well as market heavyweight Nvidia, which rose 2.4% to a record close. The information technology index was a leading gainer among the S&P 500 sectors, rising 1.4%. Among other growth stocks, Alphabet, Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla all advanced between 0.6% and 1.6%. Despite the Dow's positive milestone, its gains on Monday were kept in check by a 2% drop in Caterpillar, following a brokerage downgrade, and a 1.3% fall in Boeing after the plane maker flagged a larger than expected Q3 loss on Friday. In other trades, the bond market was closed for Columbus Day holiday. Spot gold is $2,650 an ounce. Benchmark Brent oil prices are $77.46 a barrel. All eyes will be on earnings the rest of the week, with 41 S&P 500 companies expected to report results this week. Traders are betting on fireworks in the stock market after the results. Among those reporting numbers on Tuesday are a slew of big-name financials, including Bank of America and Citigroup, as well as the healthcare giants Johnson & Johnson and United Health Group. Last Friday, strong earnings from JP Morgan and Wells Fargo helped send the S&P 500 and Dow Industrials to new highs. Investors will also watch for crucial economic data this week, notably the September retail sales figures, for clues on the financial health of the US consumers. That's it for today, folks. See you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comments section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.